everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to Crafting Therapy. It's National Craft Month too, so two great things going on at the same time. So it's March 25th already. We're counting down for the craft giveaway on March 31st. It's going to happen before you know it, and those are the prizes back there. There's 12 prizes that I will be giving away on March 31st. I will choose 12 winners to win a prize each. So anyway, it's going to be fun. Don't forget, go to the March 1st video linked below to enter. So I hope that you will. It's going to be great, and I'm excited to be able to share some fun, crafty things with you. Now, next month is Appreciation Month for my subscribers, so you don't want to miss that. Friday giveaways are going to be amazing. So, little sneak on that. So today, Crafting Therapy, we're going to utilize one of my masterboards that I made, and this is on cardstock, so we can make it into tags, backgrounds for my journal, whatever I want to do that needs to be a little bit thicker. But if I wanted to make it into stickers, I've also printed it on sticker paper. So you can see right here, printed it on sticker paper, and I can just cut these out and use them for stickers, use them like washi tape to go around the bottom or the sides of my, whatever I want to do that needs a sticker. So anyway, really cool thing, but I want you to know I'm sharing it with you. So if you go to my website, cindyalewis.com, and go to the Learn Junk Journals page, there are two links there on the home page above all the videos that you can download. One is Junk Journal Page Ideas. This just hand-sketched page ideas. And then the other one is this Masterboard, and it's a freebie to you. So I hope that you'll do that. We are going to use this in the journal video today. So we're going to be doing some more Junk Journal Page Ideas, working in my junk journal, doing some layouts or whatever we want to, and it's going to be a fun video. So let's jump into that. This is my junk journal that I started making, I think it was February, and we're adding to it. We're thickening it up. This is from the Dollar Tree. And so I've been creating different pages on videos that you can check out. All of them have been on video, and they're really, really fun and easy to do. Lots of space to write. This is where I made the junk journal stickers. The last time I did a video with that here as well. And so you can do that. It's just like washi tape. This is the handmade paper, homemade paper from Paper Towels. So it looks really cool. And then this one we did, this is a Pink Monarchs idea of taking these little flowers and making it a 3D. So you can do this as well. This is on the Pink Monarch Prints page, and I shared that in a video just this week. Then yesterday, shared these pockets, how to make like a little tuck spot with a doily. And then that's just a pocket. And then this is a lace pocket right here. And it's just lace, and you can put whatever you want there and decorate your page. Then this one is just a pocket with a little see-through window. We call that a little cutout. So really fun to make these fun journal things. I think I said fun enough. So what we're going to do next is we're going to use this this Masterboard. I've got a little print out here to be a background, and then I can make tags with this. And also, since I have put this on sticker paper, I can make washi stickers. So we're going to decorate a couple pages. This one is going to be a pocket from the side. So what we want to do, it's almost a full page pocket, but it's going to be from the side instead of the top. And we're going to put double stick tape this way and cut out a little pull here with a circle punch. I've added a little bit to the pages, and now we're going to put on this side, we're going to add this from my Masterboard that I cut out but I want to cut out a circle, half circle. So I'm gonna use this 2-inch hole punch. You can see right here. And so when I put my page paper in there, hopefully you can see that okay. I'm just gonna decide where I want it, and then I'm just gonna click that out. Now, if that's too big for you, you don't want it that big, you certainly can make it a smaller one. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing with that. And I'm gonna put this pocket here. All right, and so you can see that a little bit there. So now I need a tag. So I wanna use my Masterboard to cut out a tag out of this cardstock piece that I printed from my Masterboard I created, which is why scanning it and saving it for future use is a wonderful idea. So I'm just going to cut it at about 2 inches. No, let's see. Want it to come out sideways. So let's cut this one a little bit wider. And then we're going to cut it about, let's see, what is that? Maybe 3.5 inches. Let's do it this way. 3.5 to fit inside, maybe 3 3/4. So we've got this little piece that's gonna fit in here, so we'll be able to pull it in and out, and we can write on the back. All right, so you can see this is gonna pull like this, and this is from the Masterboard, so it automatically goes with this. Now, another page that we're gonna do is to use the Masterboard stickers just to go around the bottom or the sides of a page and then decorate that way. So this is printed on sticker paper. So I just want to show you, it's super easy. We're just gonna make this about 1 inch. So I've got this on my trimmer to be at 1 inch. We're just gonna cut that whole inch, and then we'll just do one more. Let's do one more. Now, your washi tape might not be that thick. Maybe it's not. So I think my book is about 7 inches. So we're just gonna go to 6 3/4 and see if we can cut that for that page. And then we'll see what we need for the rest. All right. Now this page hasn't been vintageized yet, so give me a moment. So we're just gonna take the copy of our paper that we made into a sticker, the Masterboard, and we're just gonna run it along the edge here. Okay, so we're gonna kind of mirror the side and pull this sticker paper off. I say that it's super easy to pull off, but I don't have any fingernails right now, so. All right, I think I did cut this one just a tad bit thicker. All right, so there's our 2 pages with our Masterboard washi. Now I do have 2 little pieces, but I'm not going to use them like that. So next what I want to do though is make a tuck spot. I'm going to like a little pocket in the corner, a little corner pocket. So I'm just going to use some of my Masterboard that I had, and I'm just going to cut a little corner pocket here from this piece. Now, I like my pockets to be pretty straight, unless they're diagonal pockets. But if you don't care, that's fine too. You don't have to do everything the way that I'm doing it. But this one, we're gonna put in a corner pocket like this. I've got my corner pocket. I didn't make it a pocket, actually. I made it a tuck. And I've just got some paper that I'm gonna put there. I could decorate that paper, add stickers to it, whatever I would like to do. I have some pretty stickers here that I got from Amazon that are awesome. And let's just put this on here to add to that. And then that is another page idea. Now the next page idea I wanted to show you is actually just taking a Masterboard and creating an envelope out of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is just a simple little pocket, envelope. This is just a simple little envelope, just using your Masterboard. So we're going to make this simple, just easy to fold. So we're gonna just take our Masterboard and cut the same size. So let's do 5 inches. Let's see, how wide is this? It's 5 inches. Okay, so let's do 5 by 5. And so we got a 5 by 5 sheet here. Now I am going to go around the edges just to give it, because we'll see the edges depending on how you put the envelope on your page. So what you want to do is take your 2 corners, we're going to hold it like a diamond, and we're just going to bring this to the middle. And you want to just, you can mark it if you want to, but you can kind of eyeball it as well. All right. Then you're going to take this bottom point and you're going to fold that up. Now you can fold it up as much as you want. So like I've folded it this much, and I can tuck this under. I don't even have to, I don't have to cut it off. Okay. Now, if I want to make sure that it stays in place, I want to cut these little pieces out right here where my fold is. So you can see that whenever you go to fold it in. So we're going to go like this. Now this is just a simple envelope. You can make as many envelopes in different ways as you want to. All right, so the only thing that I need is either a little glue, just a little, or because you don't want to bleed in, or you can use double stick tape, whatever adhesive you prefer. Okay, so then we're going to hold that in place for a moment. Now, if you want, you can just leave it like this, but you probably will want this side out. So you can see my envelope is not, the top is not quite even. So I want to get it down where it is pretty even like this. So I'm just looking at it and saying, okay, where do I want that? And so now I'm going to cut this. Now this is just simple folding, and if you want it to be exact, you can use templates and all that kind of stuff. But this is just an easy, quick folding. It's not going to be perfect, but you know what? Junk journals aren't perfect. All right, and so it looks like I'm off a little bit there, but maybe I wanted it that way. So now I've got my envelope, and I can put something inside it, like a little message or whatever. Could just do it like that. And then I can take this and put it on my page, which is very cool. So I think I'll do that. And I'm just going to glue down the whole thing. And just do Life is Wonderful. And that's going to stay just like that. And then this can come out. Well, I say it can. There you go. All right. So anyway, I showed you a couple of different things using your Masterboard, making this side pocket like this. And so I do want to encourage you to go to my website, cindyaLewis.com, and get your freebie. Your Masterboard is a printable that you can go ahead and just make it into whatever you want when you print it, and you can save it and use it and use it and use it. So anyway, thanks so much for watching today, and have a wonderful day. And don't forget to enter the National Craft Giveaway. Thank you.